Select data. Now we have this data already selected, which is correct. But supposing we wanted to be enjoying this graph and then suddenly it's New Year's Eve and then January and then the end of January and we've got another month of data to add. How do we do that? So first of all, we will add a column. So right click, insert column, type in Jan. Let's see if it does this automatically. Let's make it a really obvious big number. Has added it. So it has not added it, and you can prove that by clicking on chart design, select data, and you can see this dotted line just goes up to M. And you can also see, if you look at this, this says data range is A3 to M56 M. So it's missed off January. So to include January, we click on select data. I would say the easiest way is to just click where it says M, press delete and type N. That's what I normally do, and then press OK. And there you see it's selected January, and you can see it there. Maybe we need to put 2-1 to indicate that it is the following year. And let's see on this one. Again, it's not selected, so we have to do the same thing. So select there. Then click on chart design, click on select data, and then just change that M, backspace, N. Okay, and there we go. We have our January 2021. Now if you want to change chart type, it's very easy. You just click on that and you can have any of these. But I want to keep this one here so that you will have it in the spreadsheet that you can download. So let's just call these what they are. So this is bar chart by month. Okay, so let's do another page here and do another chart. So, and let's actually put the data into a page by itself. So if I select this, click cut, click on the sheet 3, click paste, and call this data. Drag that to the beginning. That keeps that out of the way, and as we can see, because we moved it, because we cut, it's changed the link now to this thing. So if we click there, chart design, select data, it's the same data in the new location.